See, this program has one printer object and two computer objects. So first computer is ranked 1 and second computer is ranked 2. This is just to differentiate between these two functions, like functions and methods. The computer with rank 1 will be calling print method, and computer with rank 2 will be calling display method, and that print or display is decided in the run method of the threads. Here, if rank is 1, invoke print, otherwise invoke display. So when we start the threads, like C1 start and C2 start, means computer 1 and computer 2 are started, both will come to the corresponding run method, and then C1 will invoke print method, whereas C2 will invoke display method. This mechanism we already know this one. So what happens with thread, what happens with the run method, how it is decided, that part we already know. Then when print method comes here, what happens? The letter A is printed for 10 times with a delay of 200 milliseconds. Similarly, display method also perform the same thing, but it prints B 10 times with a delay of 200 milliseconds. The main concern here is both the computers are using a same printer, like PRN we have created, printer object we have created. The same printer is being used by two different computers, and here each computer is a thread. Each computer is a thread. So two threads are using a common object. This is important here. Two threads are using a common object. So any synchronized method of a common object cannot be used by both the threads at a time. You got it, na? Two synchronized methods of a common object. So when computer 1 starts working with the one synchronized method, the other computer, means other thread, will automatically wait, because the other method is also synchronized. So two synchronized methods of a same object cannot be executed at a time. So the other thread will wait. So let us execute this program. See, the second thread started working, and once the second thread completes its working, then the first thread has started its work. Then suppose we have removed this synchronized mechanism, and then execute the program. Now you can see both the outputs coming together, like B, A, B, some mix up, it's coming now. Means both the threads, both the methods are executed in parallel. Suppose we have two different printers. Suppose each computer is connected to one printer, means each computer has its own printer. In that case, there is no concept of synchronization comes up here, because one computer, one printer, another computer, another printer. So no coordination required. So a printer can work for the connected assigned computer without any problem. So suppose we have another printer. So now each computer has its own printer. So then when we execute, there is no problem with this.